Hey guys, it's Tessa, welcome back. So in today's video I'm going to be showing you how I remove my tape in hair extensions because I've got to bleach my roots really badly. Pretty much been growing out for about 6 weeks now. They need a good bleaching. So I'm going to be showing you a really quick and easy way to remove your tape in hair extensions, and also it's a really cheap way of doing it without causing any damage to your hair whatsoever. So in preparation to bleach my hair, which will be coming up next, I need to remove my tape in hair extensions. So I have 2 pieces on each side just so it helps give my hair a little bit more thickness. So let's remove these tape in hair extensions. As you can see, I have extension here and I have an extension here. So I'm just going to clip this hair out the way. There we go. So what I use to remove the tape in hair extensions is available in every grocery store. I use coconut oil. This is a great way to help loosen the glue on the extensions and also give your hair a deep conditioning treatment at the same time. It smells gorgeous as well. So I'm just going to take a little bit out with my finger. It's pretty cold where I am, so it's a little bit hard, so I'm just using my nail to get it out. Once you have a bit of coconut oil, just going to melt it in my hands a little bit. Once it's melted, then you can place it on the weft of the extension and give it a good rub. It may be better to take the coconut oil and put it into a microwave proof bowl, put it in the microwave for a little bit, and then you have a big bowl full of the oil. Instead of doing it like this, it may take a little bit longer. Don't forget to lift the extension up and do the bottom side of the weft so you get all the little cracks to help loosen the glue. So let's loosen this other extension while we're waiting for the oil to work its magic on this one. Coconut oil is going to get everywhere. And lift it up to do the bottom side. The longer you leave the coconut oil in your hair, the easier it will be to remove the extension, and the glue strips should come apart quite easily. Okay, let's check on the first one that we applied the coconut oil to. Now I'm going to be taking a tail comb and putting it in between the 2 pieces of extension that are stuck together. I'm just going to rub a little bit more coconut oil into the weft just to help loosen it up a little bit more. Hello. My cat is being so naughty right now. Hello, darling. No, she doesn't want to kiss. So once you've loosened the edge of the extension, you'll be able to pull them apart. And then it comes away nice and easy. And there we go, that's how I remove my tape in hair extensions. And that only took about 5 minutes. And remove the other side of the extension. And as you can see, there is no damage at all. And the piece of hair that was sandwiched between the extensions is still intact. Once you've shampooed and conditioned your hair, the coconut oil will leave your hair feeling silky smooth as well. So it's a great hair conditioning treatment at the same time. So let's remove this other piece and see what we're left with. So I'm gonna grab my tail comb and just wedge it between the pieces of extensions. Give it a little shake a little bit, just so we can get the edge open up. There we go. I'm just going to take a little bit of coconut oil now we have the extension opened on the edge, and I'm going to rub this into the glue strips of the extension just on the edge, just so it's easier to pull apart. I also find using a coconut conditioner works really good for getting hair extensions out as well. So when you're in the shower and you've washed and shampooed your hair, Completely saturate your hair with coconut conditioner, leave it for about 5-10 minutes, then the extensions will just come out your hair. It will be so much easier to pull the extensions apart to take them out. This is a lot easier as well. If you don't want to get in the shower just to take the extensions out, then using the coconut oil is definitely a good way to do it as well, because then leaving the coconut oil in your hair, when you do wash your hair, it's just going to be nice and soft. It's actually a little hard doing it with false nails on, so it's if you guys haven't seen the video yet, go check it out. It's on my channel, how I did these nails. The tutorial on how I did it is now live, and it was super quick and easy to do as well. And now they're apart. Ooh, baby, I love your way every day. Well, hey, now we have another extension that's been removed. All good in the hood. So we have one little bit left on this side, and then this is done. Just going to repeat it on the other side, and then all the extensions have been taken out. Then the next stage will be bleaching my roots. I will be recording it for you because I found a new method to bleach my roots without damaging my hair so much. So if you guys are interested, that will be up real soon as well. Don't you worry, I am on the case. This one coming out nice and easy. And that was the hair that was sandwiched in between the pieces, and no damage at all. So I'm just going to give this extension a little brush, and here we have the extension pieces. So this side is now done, so I'm just going to give it a little brush. Yeah, you can really tell that I need my roots bleaching. Oh, I can brush through my hair now. If any of you guys have ever had extensions that have been stuck to your hair, running your hairbrush through your hair that's going through your scalp, that feels so good. Really do take it for granted. So you can see my hair is nice and oily from the coconut oil. So I'm going to leave the coconut oil in my hair until I bleach my roots. When bleaching hair, it's always good to do it on unwashed hair. I also find if you apply the coconut oil on your hair a couple hours before you apply the bleach, it helps protect your hair even more from the damage. So coconut oil is like a lifesaver for your hair. I've also seen people apply coconut oil to their hair once a week as a hair conditioning treatment, and they found that their hair grows quicker and is a lot healthier as well. So if you guys are struggling with your hair's health, definitely invest in some coconut oil. You can pick it up pretty cheap in the shops if you go to the right ones. Don't get ripped off for coconut oil. There are some shops that seem to want to charge like £10 for a jar of coconut oil, which is ridiculous. I don't understand why it would be that much. But this one is organic extra virgin coconut oil. I picked it up at Morrison's and it was only like £3. So it's a bargain. And I found a jar of coconut oil. I had one like this and it lasted me about a year. So it goes a long way. It's also great for removing your makeup. It's a great moisturizer. It's a great hair conditioner. Coconut oil has so many good things about it, so definitely get some coconut oil. And there we go, guys. That is how I remove my tape-in hair extensions with coconut oil. Quick, easy and cheap way of doing it. I really do hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more. Go check out my channel. Go check out my last video and all that jazz. And I will see you guys real soon. Bye guys.